Traditional vision systems are built for flat surface, but cups, pails, and other round containers are different. At high speed, distortion, rotation, and limited inspection time make accurate detection difficult. CAI introduced a vision inspection system engineered specifically for round container printing.
On the logic of the operation interface, more in line with the production needs of cup printing. The left is the reference image. On the right is the image detected in real time. Below is the alarm area. This allows for real-time detection and adjustment. And it has cup mold detection function. You can monitor the situation of each cup mold in real time.
With high-frequency cameras and optimized algorithms,
Makes the image pattern clearer. It is convenient for the operator to compare the images. It also supports custom detection zones and allows corresponding adjustments to the detection parameters for each zone. Supports printing pattern recognition function. Intelligently adjusts the inspection thresholds for printed patterns and blank areas, and reduces the false alarm rate. Compared to general vision inspection solutions, CAI equipment supports stepless adjustment. No need to adjust parameters. The detection speed can be adjusted. In the mass production process, can instantly grab the detection reference image. Keep production batches stable.
the advantages of fully self-developed, it brings a higher later upgrade space and lower maintenance and communication costs. If you are interested, welcome to contact CAI Machinery.